Hey, what's up, everyone? And welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from Novo. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably wondering why I'm making this video. Well, it's because I've been getting a lot of questions about it lately. And I also think it's a really important topic to cover because withdrawing money from your bank account is something that we all do on a regular basis. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Novo account. You can do this by going to the Novo website or app. Once you're logged in, click on the Cards tab. Then, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Once you've entered the amount, click on the Withdraw button again. Your money will be withdrawn from your Novo account and deposited into your linked bank account. That's it. It's that easy. Here are a few additional tips for withdrawing money from Novo. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. You can withdraw up to $5,000 per week. You can withdraw up to $20,000 per month. You can withdraw money from any ATM that accepts Visa or MasterCard. You can also withdraw money from your Novo account using the Novo app. If you have any questions about withdrawing money from Novo, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.